Ever wondered how to elevate your kitchen experience? Let's dive into a must-see review. Today, we're looking at the IKTCH 30-inch wall mount range hood. This sleek kitchen appliance offers powerful ventilation with style. Firstly, the powerful airflow. With a maximum of 900 CFM, it effectively clears smoke and cooking odors. Secondly, it operates ultra-quietly, boasting a noise level of just 40 decibels at the lowest setting. The modern design stands out, featuring elegant stainless steel construction and gesture-sensing control. Lastly, it comes equipped with energy-saving 3W LED lights that are adjustable to cater to your cooking needs. However, it does have a few downsides. The installation process can be a bit challenging for DIYers. Also, the gesture sensing feature might take some getting used to and isn't always reliable. Another con is that the filters, while washable, may require frequent cleaning depending on usage. Lastly, it might not fit all kitchen styles due to its modern design, which may not appeal to everyone. In conclusion, the IKTCH range hood brings excellent airflow and style, but it may not be the perfect fit for every kitchen.